In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Bing AI chatbot, and I'll talk a little bit about how it's different to ChatGPT. So what you want to do is go to bing.com. To get here, just obviously type in bing.com or go to the superior search engine Google and then type in Bing. Either way, go to Bing and it will take you here. Now, you'll notice on the Bing homepage, it's going to say here, ask me anything, and you can type in up to 2,000 characters. Now you can just use this as a normal search engine. So if you want to type in Facebook, it will obviously give you all the search results you're looking for. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go back to the homepage and you can ask it something very specific, right? So if I go ahead and paste in this, which I've already pre-wrote, I can tell it here that I'm planning a trip to Thailand for 2 weeks and I want the cheapest flights, an itinerary, and my budget is around 2,000. I can then just go ahead and search like I would do with a normal search term. It's going to give me the search results as usual, but this thing on the right here is going to be Bing Chat. So now we are speaking to Bing Chat and it's going to find and try and help us here. So you can see it's found some flights for 455. We can find more information about these. We can click see more. It's even writing us an itinerary. And we're just going to let it do its thing here and plan our trip for us. So now it's wrote the reply for us. And I think what Bing are trying to do is make searching the web and asking very specific questions on the web easier, right? So this is just give us a full itinerary here with flights. And we can go ahead and learn more and see these flights here by clicking on these links. We can ask it more questions or we can click on Let's Chat. That will load up the Bing Chat window. And maybe I want to say here, I don't want to go to Chiang Rai. Where can I go instead? So let's ask it that and see what it says. And the thing is with Bing Chat, you can go ahead and talk with it in real time, and you can see it's rewriting some options here. So you can talk with Bing Chat in real time. You can use it to make searching the web easier. And that's what I think their main objective is. So go and check it out. Tell me if you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.